following message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Agency, Sheboygan County, Wisconsin. At 8:55 p.m. an employee at the Sheboygan Walmart said that an armed man was holding up the store and was threatening to start shooting if the cashier did not open the main safe within 20 minutes. None of the employees know the safe combo, and the administrator is out of the country. Some police have showed up at the scene, but cannot take action because of the fear that the armed man will begin shooting. Also, he is threatening to shoot any civilians that attempt to exit the store, as he plans to later use them as hostages. Do not go anywhere near the Sheboygan Walmart until the all clear is given. Additional emergency alert system activations will eventually be required to update civilians on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Agency, Sheboygan County, Wisconsin. Armed robbery continues at local Walmart. The armed suspect has injured a few civilians with his firearm, and, in addition, a small group of men dressed in ninja-like suits have fell into the store through the heating ducts. The ninjas are most likely associated with the armed man. The ninjas are gathering hostages into the restrooms and holding them there. There is a crowd of about 60 law enforcement officers outside the store, and the ninjas say they will kill one hostage for each officer that makes an attempt at advancing the cessation of the robbery. This is quickly turning into a deadly situation for all civilians within a 3-block radius of the store. Stay away at all costs. Please stay tuned for further updates on this situation.
Armed robbery at Sheboygan Walmart now prompting a danger to all civilians. 3 of the ninjas have begun shooting machine guns off the roof of the building, killing most of the law enforcement officers. A few civilians walking within a few blocks of the store were also killed. Some law enforcement officers are calling nearby cities asking for backup. This situation is taking a very dangerous turn. Please stay indoors at all costs and do not take up the emergency phone lines unless absolutely necessary.
Evacuation order mandatory. Everyone in the state of Wisconsin is being asked to evacuate as a precautionary action. Ninjas with machine guns now invading northern and central Wisconsin and shooting any civilians in their path. It's been confirmed that this is not part of the armed robbery. The suspect from the robbery has been arrested. The suspect actually finds the idea of a ninja invasion downright hilarious. People are being asked to evacuate because their location in Wisconsin could be invaded at any second. Numerous shelters are being set up for the evacuees just over the border in adjacent states. Please stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for further updates.
Update on the situation that was developing earlier this morning. Police have taken action by dropping small bombs throughout Wisconsin to kill any of the remaining ninjas. The situation is officially over. However, it is recommended that people stay out of the state of Wisconsin until further notice, because the bombs that police dropped have knocked out most 911 telephone systems in the state. Tune to news outlets for further updates. The phone lines are expected to be down for at least 3 to 4 months. This is a dangerous situation in which most Wisconsin residents cannot call 911 in the case of an emergency. Repeating. 911 systems down in Wisconsin. Please stay out of the state until further notice.